안녕하세요, 아루사입니다. Hey, if you're learning Korean as an absolute beginner, maybe I can be a good pacer. Why? Well, because I've decided to learn German language. My sister is working in Berlin, and she invited me to stay there. So I was thinking, maybe I should learn some basic German language. And also, I could be a good pacer for those who are learning Korean for the very first time. So, what do you think? Probably you guys know some basic Korean expressions like 안녕하세요, 김치, 오빠, what else? 비빔밥? 고맙습니다. Well, okay, let me check my German ability. I know Guten Tag, Guten Morgen, Entschuldigung, excuse me. And ein, like Einstein, ein, number one. Zwei, maybe zwei, drei, 1, 2, 3. Ich liebe dich, which means I love you. Most Koreans know Ich liebe dich from K-pop in probably 90s. 사랑해선 안 될 게 너무 많아. Ich liebe dich. So basically, your Korean ability and my German ability are the same. So let's learn these languages together. This week, I'm going to practice greetings, German greetings. So maybe at the end of this week, I will upload the video with my achievement. 같이 하실래요? Yes. 네. 같이 해요. And also, this is kind of a promise to myself not to quit learning German. Because I'm a quitter. And being a quitter is not really good. I want to change that part of me. 감사합니다. 안녕. I'll upload my progress on Sunday to show you what I've learned so far. If you're interested in joining this project after watching, leave a comment.